Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to School of Gold. Today we are going to learn about subtraction. If you have looked at my other videos, you would have seen many different types of videos, for instance, addition, multiplication, percentages, and now we are focusing on subtraction. There are many different types of words for subtraction. We have takeaway, minus, subtraction, difference. But today we are going to focus on the two ways of subtracting numbers. Remembering every single number has to be underneath each other. We have 4 questions on the board. Let's go through the easier ones. Remembering every single number is underneath each other. We have the hundreds, tens, and units column. Here we go. 124 minus 10. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 1 minus nothing, or 0, equals 1. So the answer is 114. Let's go through the same strategy, but with a different number. 124 minus 23. Hundreds, tens, units, and all the numbers are underneath each other. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus nothing is just 1. 101. Now it's going to get a little bit tricky. This is where we have to trade. Are you watching very carefully? Here we go. 124 minus 37. Start with the units. Always start with the units. 4 minus 7. We can't do. If you have 4 fingers, you can't take away 7 fingers. You don't have any. So we need to borrow from the tens column. 4 minus 7 you can't do. Borrow from the tens column. You put this 2 to a 1 and pass this 10 to the units. So now it's 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 1 minus 3. Can we do it? No. 1 take away 3. You don't have 3 fingers. But if you borrow from the next column, 1 to a 0, give that column another 1, that now goes to 11. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Yes, you're correct. 87 is the answer. Let's have another go at the same strategy with trading. 104 minus 25. This is a bit tricky because you have a 0. Let's have a look. Start with the units. 4 minus 5. You can't do it. Can you take away 5 from 4 fingers? No, because you don't have any. We need to borrow from the tens column. But look at that. The tens column doesn't have any either. So we need to borrow from the hundreds. Look at this now. 1 goes to a 0. Put it now to a 10. Now we can do it because now the tens column has numbers. 4 minus 5 we can't do. We need to borrow. 10 goes to a 9. And pass this 10 to the next fella, into the units column. 14 minus 5 equals 9. Yes, spot on, you're correct. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 79. Now, 2 different strategies. Here are the simple without trading. This is trading with subtraction. Boys and girls, thank you for tuning in. And just remember, there are 4 different words for subtraction. Subtraction, difference, take away, and minus. Bye for now.